Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these really cute Little Twinstars hair clips and also talk to you a little bit about this new UV resin that can be bought at Michael's. Now, I want to put in a little disclaimer that what I say in this video is just my opinions based on my experience with this new resin. Okay, so as far as odor goes, it does have a smell. I don't find it to be any more or less smelly than other UV resins I use, but this is one of those things that it depends on the actual person. I don't find the smell to be too bad, but you may find it to be intolerable. The next thing I want to mention is the consistency. It's pretty runny. I personally like that it's runny because I find it's easier to pop air bubbles in the resin. And when it comes to UV resin, you kind of have to work fast. As soon as those UV rays hit it, it will start to cure. One thing I really like when it comes to the colored resins is that they're transparent. I find the purple and the pink, I still haven't tried the teal, to be really pretty. With UV resin, it's best if the colored pigments are transparent because it means that the resin is more likely to cure all the way through. Now for the curing. I found that this resin cured really nicely. I used a 36 watt lamp, that's what it says to use, and I let it sit under the lamp for 6 to 8 minutes. Once it was done curing, I let it sit for another minute to cool down, and when I picked it up, it didn't feel tacky. It was smooth and really shiny. One bad thing I've noticed with this resin is that if you use anything less than 36 watts, the resin will take forever to cure or not cure at all. At the end of my video, there's a clip there where I'm trying to do a flash cure with one of the torches I got from S&T, and nothing happened. It was still pure liquid. So it seems that this resin needs a strong source of UV light to cure. Another bad thing I found is that there seems to be a bit of air inside the bottle. A few times as I was squeezing out the resin, all that was coming out was air bubbles, which wasn't fun. So if you watched my previous video, I mentioned that I found these UV resins to be expensive. But after doing some research comparing the prices, these resins are competitively priced, especially if you apply the coupon. Overall, for my first time using this resin, I really like it. So far, I find it to be a pretty good product. So I would recommend it, especially if you have a 36 watt or higher watt lamp. If you're planning to buy this resin to try it out, don't forget to check out Michael's website for their awesome coupons. It does really help. If you guys have any questions that I didn't cover in this video, please write them down below and I will do my best to answer them. Also, if you've already tried this resin, please comment down below your experience with it. If you guys found this video to be helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up and thank you so much for watching. Bye!